Hello and welcome to MathsAid TV, here at Step-Aside ETSS. We're your hosts for the year, Ross and Fergal.
Okay, hello. Here we are recording live from home today, not from Steam HQ, and we're going to try and work on, well, it's a scientific topic, but it does come up in maths as well. So we're working on the two. We're going to work on a bit of speed, distance, time, and acceleration. So we should have all of those boxes ticked by the time we are finished. As you're going, if you're pausing, try the question. If you get it right, skip on. If you don't get it right, try and watch my explanation and see if it helps. Here we go. So, first up, we need to look over here for some information for the question. Distances are there. We need to look at the question itself. It takes the Ford Fiesta 2 hours. Key piece of info to get from here, so from this side here, all the way to Belfast. What is the speed of the Fiesta? So if you're looking at your speed triangle, your dad's city triangle, speed bottom left, distance, time. If we're on the same level, we're multiplying. It's one thing above the other, we're dividing. So in this question, what is the speed? So we look at speed equal to distance divided by time. Looking at our information, distance from this sign, how far is it to Belfast to Belfast? K, it's Quaker Car kilometre, 154 kilometres. The units are important, make sure you write them in. And the time, how long does it take? Well, we found out here that it takes this particular Ford Fiesta, nice looking Ford Fiesta, 2 hours. So let's put 2 hours at the bottom. Alright, underline our keywords, take our time and work it out. 154 divided by 2. I have my calculator handy, you should have yours too. 77. And if you write 77 and leave it, there'll be trouble. It's 77 kilometers per hour. The units from the top divided by a slash the units from the bottom. Kilometers slash hour or kilometers per hour, as we know it. Alright, go back over it, have another look if you need. Next up, a Passat. Someday when I'm a richer teacher, I would like to own a Passat. This time, a Passat travels to Belfast at 100 kilometers per hour. That sounds to me, and looks to me, like a speed. How long does it take the Passat to get there? So we have speed, we have distance over here on this. It will work for me. Distance is over here. We're looking for time. So this time we'll cover time. And if time is covered, is what you're looking for. You're left with distance divided by speed. So let's look. The distance from this particular signpost in this particular Volkswagen Passat on what looks like a lovely sunny day. Our distance is 154 kilometers again. We also need our speed. It says we're traveling at 100 kilometers per hour. So if we can work that out, we know that time will be equal to the answer. 154 divided by 100. Looking at the units, that km and that km will cancel. So our units will be in hours. Makes sense, because what are we looking for? Time. 154 divided by 100 equals 1.54 hours. Now remember, with hours, that doesn't mean 1 hour 54 minutes. It means 1.54, so just over 1.5 hours. Gotcha. The thing you're looking for in this case, it was length of time. And you cover the one that you're looking for, and you work with the other as distance divided by speed. Alright, let's go one or two more. Okay, in this case, a Kia Sportage. Again, I don't want this one, but I know somebody who lives in the same house who would like one of these cars if she had the money. So, a Kia Sportage travels to Belfast from Dublin in 2 hours. So from Dublin to Belfast in 2 hours. One pen. 2 hours. What's the time? The journey is 165 kilometers long. Kilometers long indeed. That's a distance. So what we're looking for this time is, alright, if you look at it, speed is equal to distance over time, distance divided by time. So our distance is 165 km. Our time is 2 hours. So this is slightly different from the one we did earlier. 165 divided by 2 equals 82.5. 82.5 what? How do I get the units again? Oh yeah, it's the units on top. Divided by slash the units. Okay. Kilometers per hour. First and the third questions, the Fiesta and the Kia Sportage, are very similar, but slightly different journeys. And the second question is slightly different. Okay, I hope it's helping. With one more, we're moving on to acceleration. Okay, so we are changing our diagram a little bit, our question a little bit indeed. In this case, we have change in velocity up here. Often we see that as change in speed, alright? Velocity, speed. We have an A, which stands for acceleration, and T stands for the time it takes for the change in time. So, an eagle is soaring at 20 kilometers an hour. Before it dives to catch a mouse at a speed of 60 kilometers an hour. What was the eagle's acceleration? So we're left with A, acceleration, what we cover, what we're looking for, equals our change in V, or our change in S as we'll call it here this time, divided by the time it took. So we've probably spotted a problem already. Change in speed, we go from 20 kilometers an hour to 60 kilometers an hour. What's the change? From 20 to 60, 60 minus 20 is 40 kilometers per hour. Faster. Time. We need a time. I haven't added a time to that question because I didn't do it right. So I'm going to tell you that this takes 30 seconds. Okay. So on the bottom in the slot for time, we're going to put 30 seconds. So to work it out, what am I doing? A change in speed is 40 kilometers an hour divided by the time it took. 30 seconds, and the answer I'm getting is 1.33. That 3 keeps on going. It's recurrent, so we're just going to say 1.33. What's my units? God, how do I do this again? Oh yeah, right, I remember now. It's the units on the top slash the units on the bottom. So it's km slash h slash x. Alright, now the story doesn't tell us if the mouse got caught. I hope you got it. Anyway, hope that's been a help. Pausing and trying again. There's loads of questions available that we've provided on the internet, and plenty more you'll find in copybooks, on handouts, etc. Thanks for joining me. See you later.
And that's it for MathsAid TV this week. Hope it was a help, and don't be afraid to ask questions. And don't forget, we've got a weekly maths challenge. Correct answers on a slip will get you a thumbs up +5.